Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if the CD or DVD icon is not showing up in the File Explorer settings in Windows 10. So it should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So we're going to start by opening up the Start menu. Just left click on the Start button one time. Type in regedit, R-E-G-E-D-I-T. Best match should come back a registry editor. You want to go ahead and right click on that and then select Run as Administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, you want to select Yes. Now before you do anything in the registry, I'd highly suggest that you create a backup of it, so if anything went wrong you'd be able to easily restore back from it. So you'd easily be able to restore it. So in order to do the backup, it's quite simple. Just go ahead and left click on the File tab, select Export. Save it to a convenient location on your computer. Export range should be selected to all, and as for file name, usually I'd suggest naming it the date in which you're making the backup, and then select save. And if you ever needed to restore it back, you're just going to left click on the File tab and select Import, and navigate to the file location. So pretty simple. So once you've done that, I'm going to have a registry path in the description of my video. I want you guys to copy it and then go up to the top URL bar of the registry editor and delete whatever's in here. So just highlight over and delete. And now I want you to paste in this new registry path and then hit enter on your keyboard. Should be a couple items on the right side here that say reg dword, and it should say lower filters and upper filters. I want you to delete both of them, so just start with the lower filters, right click on it and then select delete. Select yes, and now do the same thing for the upper filters dword value. Now that you've done that, close out of here and restart your computer, and hopefully that's been able to resolve the problem. Another thing you can try if you have restarted your computer and still having an issue here, let's just delete what's at the top of the registry editor now. I'm going to paste in this new direction, which will be underneath the first one I'm going to show in this video. So just paste that in, and now on the right side you want to click in a blank area, so right click, left click on new, select key, and now you want to type in Control 0. So you can see the keys on the left side here, but I just wanted to make it clear enough that you guys will be able to see it. So again, Controller 0. And now on the right side, you want to right click in a blank area, select new, and then select dword 32-bit value. You want to enter in ENUM device 1, exactly as it appears on my screen. So again, ENUM device 1. Hit enter on your keyboard. Now you want to double click on that dword value. For value data, you want to change it to 1, so value data field, don't spell out 1, just type the number 1. Left click on OK to save the change. At this point you should be able to close out of the registry editor, and hopefully once you've restarted your computer you should be good to go. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.